My dear customers, now I will introduce how to adjust the speed of the mask milling machine. We come to this place. To adjust the speed of mask milling machine, we need to use this equipment, micro drive. The first, we need to compare with two values. We go inside, press the menu. When it is showing this one, 0 dash, we go inside and change this value. This will be changed. So we try again. We will go inside 3 dash. One zero, 3-10, and OK. So we need to press the values with this 0 and 1. Please compare with your machines which one is higher. For example, this machine, the value of the 1 is more higher than the value of 0. So that means the value of the 1 means is high speed. So if you want to increase the speed of the mask milling machine, we only need to adjust the value of the 1. We press OK, and the value will be blinking. So we only need to adjust this value. Adjust it. When the value is increased, we press OK. That means the value increased and the speed is increased. This is how to increase the speed of the mask milling machine. And then I will show you how to increase the speed of the welding machine. We come to here. In the setting interface, that is showing all the parameters will be showing here. If you want to increase the speed, we only need to reduce these values. Any values, you need to reduce it. But we don't suggest you change these two values. Welding time and welding holding time. We suggest you don't change these two values. And also the other way to increase the speed of the air loop welding machine, we're using this manufacturer parameter. Here has the automatic speed. We only need to increase this 3 speed. That means the speed of this air loop welding machine will increase. And this is the 2 ways of how to increase the speed of air loop welding machine. Okay, thank you.